Does your drilling area look like this? Cluttered with worn out and inaccurate templates? Are you looking for a machine that could simplify this labor-intensive hand drilling procedure? A machine that has the versatility to perform all your hardware drilling needs, including fully assembled drawer boxes. Suppose it could increase your quality by eliminating blowout, and could guarantee perfect hole centers and parallel holes every time. The KP1600 is the machine for you. Designed and manufactured in the United States by Hurst Engineering, the KP1600 is the key to streamlining your hardware department.
Hi, my name is Rick Hurst, President of Hurst Engineering. Here at Hurst Engineering, we design and build specialized machinery for the cabinet and furniture manufacturing industry. One example of our product line is the KP1600. This semi-automatic knob and pull drilling station was designed as an alternative to the programmable model, the KP2000. At about 1/3 the cost, this low-budget, high-performance knob and pull drilling station is ideal for both large and small companies.
Let us demonstrate how easy this machine is to operate, while pointing out many of its uniquely designed features. The KP1600 has two centering devices, vertical and horizontal. Vertical centering is achieved by placing the material between the fence and the center stop, which travel equally in opposite directions. When drilling for knobs, horizontal centering is achieved by placing the material against the left stop and the green stop marked knob. Press the green button, which activates only the drill marked knob. When drilling for pulls, place the drawer against the left stop and the yellow stop marked pull. Press the green and yellow buttons to activate both drills. Notice how the colored buttons correspond with the colors on the stops and on the drills. When drilling for different pull centers, turn the adjusting knob to the desired setting using the rule and indicator. Notice as the pull centers increase, each drill moves proportionally from the center. The hold-down clamp also serves as a backer template. This prevents drill bit blowout and chipping, which is critical when drilling melamine and laminates. The hold-down block is easily replaced for different hole patterns or wear. When drilling holes in pre-finished products, the soft yet resilient surface of the machine protects your product from scratches. The optional depth control turrets provide a quick setup when alternating between a countersunk hole and a straight-through hole. The optional stops extension is convenient when drilling taller doors. Now let's begin the actual drilling of the 4 basic hardware configurations using the KP1600. First, centered in all directions. Then center left to right, using the stop marked knob. Press only the green button to activate the drill. When drilling for a pull, center top to bottom, then center left to right using the stop marked pull. Press the green and yellow buttons to activate both drills. Second, with pulls centered, top and bottom and equally spaced left and right positions. Using the rule and indicator, set and lock the left stop to the desired setting. Place the drawer against the left stop, then center vertically. Press both buttons to activate both drills. For a mirror image, Simply slide the drawer to the right stop marked Pull. Again, press both buttons. Third, with a pull centered left to right and a fixed vertical position. Using the rule and indicator, set and lock the fence to the desired setting. Place drawer against the fence, then center drawer left to right. Press both buttons to activate drills. And fourth, a door with a knob in a fixed position. Using the rule and indicator, set and lock the fence and stops to the desired settings. Place the door against the fence and the left stop for a left-hand door, then activate the drill. For a right-hand door, place the door against the fence and the right stop marked knob. The KP1600 also has the ability to drill fully assembled drawer boxes. The same drilling procedures apply as described earlier.
Rick Hurst built his first knob and pull drilling station for us back in 1990. As president of Craft Kitchens in Newmanstown, Pennsylvania, I can speak highly of Hurst Engineering's dedication to quality and service. The knob and pull drilling station has become an important part of our manufacturing process. It has contributed greatly to our reduced mistake level while increasing productivity. The resulting increase in quality and quantity has helped us realize our motto: quality workmanship, complete and on time.
Let's review some of the benefits the KP1600 has to offer. Improve quality and productivity by minimizing human error. Eliminate those worn-out templates with confusing hole patterns. The KP1600 guarantees perfect hole centers and parallel holes every time. This is difficult to achieve when drilling by hand in a production setting. The hold-down block eliminates bit blowout, even on laminates and melamine. A single operator can focus his attention on knob and pull drilling. This greatly reduces the mistake potential while making quality control more manageable. There are many hidden costs involved when remaking a door or drawer. The KP1600 can help keep these to an absolute minimum. Save valuable shop time when you don't have to interrupt the production. Save the extra shipping and handling charges associated with follow-up deliveries. Avoid partial or delayed shipments and increase customer satisfaction. For increased productivity and profits in your shop, let the KP1600 streamline your hardwaring department.